What's up guys, it's me LARSA. Welcome to my channel. We're still stuck at this. I look happy because my room, my closet is finally going to be cleaned today. I am so happy. Guys, that room is always a mess. It's a big mess. Most of the times it's messy because whenever I'm traveling, there's one suitcase that comes in, then the other one comes in, and then there's no unpacking, and there's a problem to pack, and there's things all over the place. I'm going to show you what this room looks like. So I don't have a house help, okay? Like I don't have a house help like ever. I clean the place on my own, and that's why this happens. Okay, are you ready? Dun 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 dun. So this is my dresser, and this is where my makeup and all my things are usually. That's the place where I keep my shoes and my bags. This is just like a rack where I keep the things, like a good outfits here, and another rack. Oh my god, look at this. Why is it so messy? What is so hard, LARSA? Why is it so hard? I'm in the room and we are going to start. My stuff is all over, so what I'm going to do is, like I said, I am going to first pick on all the things that's on the floor, clean that, and then get on to organizing. Let's just get into it. I've sorted like some part of it, and this is supposed to be kachra. This is also kachra. Nonsense in this box! All the shit goes outside. There's like crushed makeup here. My eyeshadow fell and it made a mess, and it's like completely pink. So every time I walk in here, it's pink. My feet are pink. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, I stopped cleaning the room yesterday, and I'm back today in the afternoon because I couldn't complete it. I had to finish something else. So we're still stuck at this. Let's move on with the cleaning. Some progress, like everything from the floor is out, like at least the clothes are out. There's no like unwanted stuff in the room anymore. Now all I gotta do is organize everything according to category. Like I said, I removed everything from this. I need to clean this up and maybe just put my jewelry here. What do you think? And this part, this is the part where I keep all my clothes. Even this is pretty much organized. There's no kachra there. There's just two suitcases. Some clothes are still in it. I'm not going to open it right now. Not for this video. Nope. And I have some stuff there. Everything's untidy. Let's do this, guys. What's the best way to organize as quick as possible? I think get an empty box or like a tray, whatever. Put all your stuff in and then again organize it. Is that a good way? Or do you just like do one shelf at a time? I think do one shelf at a time, otherwise it just gets overwhelming. That's right. It will get overwhelming because there's so much stuff. How do I do this? Pray for me. Place itself is such a mess. This is supposed to be the tabletop. I'm finding the things that I didn't even know were there. And I've been looking for some things and they're just under the thing like that. I mean, guys, don't be like me. Clean your room and clean your closet. So what I'm going to do is put all the hair stuff on the bottom, like in the bottom shelves, because I don't use them very often, and all the other items like moisturizers and things like that on top. Need to clean this up. This is the thing that's supposed to go under the drawer. You know, it's white, it's inevitable. You can't really do anything. It is going to get stained, but not so quickly, yaar. Like it's not even been a month. Okay, this thing goes underneath. Okay, this fits perfectly. Yay! It looks good. It goes with the whole scene. Now I think set the other things up. So on the table, I don't think I'm gonna keep anything at all. I am just gonna keep like a few things like this tray and maybe a little bit of jewelry. I'm gonna keep this whole thing empty. Another sad part is that this thing has broken. This glass cracked someday, and it's a really sad thing. So I will have to throw this glass, but I do not want to remove the glass because the white will get super dirty. That is why. Also, I just found this fake septum ring while I was cleaning. Doesn't it look badass? Like, I like it. I like the whole vibe. I think it doesn't look like too badass and it still looks nice. What do you think? So this is my perfume tray. The tray is from AA Living and it's actually lost its color. It was like a nice blush pink and now it's all faded because it's usually this side of the room. This side of the room is usually exposed to a lot of sunlight. So I think that is why it's discolored. But I'm gonna keep all my perfumes here. Look at this. This one says Beyond LARSA. This one's a customized perfume from Experimental Perfumes in London, and they got my name printed on it. So this is my perfume tray and it's going to go on the other side. I was actually thinking of keeping it on this table itself because this can fall any moment. I think this looks nice here. What do you think? So guys, I finally arranged all my things in these trays. Now all these trays are brought from IKEA. Even the boxes you saw earlier, they're all from IKEA. These are not jewelry organizers, because for jewelry organizers you need like proper compartments, but this still did. I had like a few boxes, so I put my own boxes and I put all my rings. So this box particularly is something that I usually wear. Like, I always wear all of this, and these are my bracelets that I always wear, my chains, my rings, all of them are here, and all the good and expensive stuff is here because I don't want all the expensive stuff to be mixed with the fake jewelry. So this is the drawer that will go here, and I think it will fit well. I mean, this was supposed to be for the jewelry, like I said, and this box I'm gonna just place it on top of this because I don't really wear traditional all the time, and this has a box also. Okay, so guys, like, some part of the room is clean and clear now. Everything is arranged. That is this section of my room, which is the most important actually. The part where I do my makeup and all my makeup is set. It's very important to keep, especially if you're into makeup, I mean, it's very important to keep everything in place and everything organized. It just makes life so much easier, and it's always better to declutter things if you have like too many of them. So I think I did a good job on that. And now we're going to move on to that part of the room, that is shoes. Okay, so this is the condition of my shoe closet at the moment. It's really disgusting, and I don't know why there is a swimming cap here. I really don't understand. But I'm sure it's not that bad, so let's get started. Oh, I just found my workout bands as well. I was looking for these. That's the best part about cleaning, like, you find your stuff. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep all the bags that I don't really need and don't really use, the storage inside my bed. I don't use this bag anymore and I don't want to use it, but I know I might use it someday. You get my point? This is our problem. We like to hoard things. I found a wig. I picked this up from Shein, and it's quite a good one. I mean, like, if I put my hair inside, it's quite nice, and like with a hat. What's up? Hey everybody! I think it's nice. I should wear it like for a video or something. This is a really old bag, and I used to use it I think 2 or 3 years ago, and there's so much money inside this. Money as in like coins, but there's so much. Wait, let me show you. What is this? Woo! Okay guys, so the shoe shelf why does it feel wrong when I'm saying it? Okay, the shelf of the shoes is sorted. I managed to do it. So I literally cleaned every shelf and arranged everything properly. I only threw out the shoes that were not good and were spoiled. The rest of the shoes are intact, like they're in good shape, but I don't want to wear it anymore. So I'll just ask if any of my friends want. And yeah, I think the shoe closet looks great. So I put away all the bags in the bed storage and just kept the ones that I use usually out here. I don't have a lot of bags. I just have a few here. I usually have a lot of totes, like big bags. Now we have this section to be done. This is the section where I keep all my good clothes and all the jackets, cardigans, new outfits, everything that looks nice in this room I put here. The rest of my clothes are in my bedroom in my cupboard. I didn't want to put my cupboard in here because the bedroom looks empty then. So I just have like some clothes here and my makeup and my shoes and bags. So I'm just going to arrange this section and put only my jackets and things that I usually use. I also had a lot of winter wear here, but it didn't make sense, so I'm going to put it in my bed storage and just keep only a few hangers here, otherwise it looks too crowded. So this is what the corner looks like right now. It's completely cleaned. Hangers are lesser than usual and it's also 7:30 in the evening. I even cleared this part and it just has a few boxes and a few belts and the mini bag. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video to watch the reveal of my closet and in-depth details. See you in my next video. Bye.